Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. I am Rita Ramirez, 29 years old. I have three kids, 11 years old and 6 years old. I am a Roman Catholic in religion. I am the second in the family. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
What is your marital status?
Married.
Married. Okay. You have 3 kids, right?
Yes.
So you have twins,
Yes, ma'am.
which is, how old are they?
11 years old.
11 years old. Okay. Who will look for your kids if you're going Hong Kong?
My mother.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Your husband is an OFW?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
Kuwait, ma'am.
Wait, so he allows you to work in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your educational attainment?
College undergraduate.
What course you took up before?
Bachelor in secondary education.
How long you studied in college?
1
1
year.
year. Okay. Are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
Hong Kong, ma'am.
From Hong Kong. Okay. How long you worked in Hong Kong before?
3 years and 6 months, ma'am.
3 years and 6 months. Okay. So you did not finish the second contract.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the reason you did not finish it?
Because my employer, we have an agreement.
So you have an agreement with your employer that you only stay for them or you just extend your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
So there's no agreement to finish it.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many members of the family did you serve here?
4 members,
Who are-
ma'am. Consists of 1 couple and 2 kids, ma'am.
How old the kids when you arrived with them?
16 months old and 4 months old.
So 2 kids. So 16 months old.
And 4 months old.
Okay, and 4 months old. Okay, so how many helper in the house?
I am the only helper in the house.
Your mom is a working or no?
No working.
So she stay in the house. She also help you or you help your mom to look for the 2 kids, right? Especially they are still baby.
Yes.
How do you take the 4 months old? Do you take care of her?
Yes.
So the 16 months is a girl or a boy?
Boy.
How about the 4 months?
Boy.
So 2 boys. Okay, so what is your duties and responsibilities as their helper?
I do all the household chores like laundry, washing clothes, washing dishes, marketing, and taking care of the house.
Okay, so who do the cooking?
My madam.
So if madam is preparing to cook, you took care of the baby.
Yes.
Okay, and you have day off before?
Yes.
What was your day off?
Sunday.
Sunday. And how was your relationship between you and your employer before?
And my employer have a good relationship, especially the kids. They are like they put like a family too.
Okay, now you want to work back again in Hong Kong, so what's the reason?
Because I need to earn some money for my kids.
When was your last employment or day in Hong Kong? That was
June.
just June last year.
Yes.
Okay, so you want to work back again in Hong Kong, and will you promise to finish your contract if you were if for the future employer?
Yes.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As my employer needs my help.
Okay, your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only twice a month off, and the 2 other off will pay you. Is that okay for
It's
you?
okay.
Are you willing also to work again for kids or newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes.
You love kids.
Yes.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes.
There's a grandparent staying in the house. Is that okay for you?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please go hire me as your employer. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I will take good care of your kid as my own. Thank you and see you soon.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2121.